what's good about that flavor?
Just nice and fresh and easy to eat. Yeah.
Awesome, cool. So we're selling the fish pop original.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Oh yeah.
They've got a nice fishy taste. Very fishy.
Yeah. It's quite
It kind of has a texture of the fish.
it's got kind of like it's got kind of a unique texture from like Western
Very.
snacks. Yeah.
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 Thanks very much.
Try that. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll give it back.
The taste is beautiful.
Yeah. So if you could give the smoky chicken breast.
I'll give it a taste. Yes, absolutely. It's beautiful.
Oh,
Well smoked.
thank
Lovely.
you. Thank you. Yeah. It's
Highly recommend it.
This is bulgogi marinated with bulgogi cooking sauce, made in Korea. And if you could just please give us your thoughts about it.
Really good.
Really nice.
Like it.
Yeah. It's delicious.
Yeah, really good.
It's got
Tastes
Tastes just like bulgogi.
yeah.
It's good.
Raw seasoned octopus.
It's nice. It's not too salty.
Oh, thank you.
That's good. I've tried some before. It's like too sweet.
Oh, right.
This is nice. This is really good.
It's not too overpowering, I guess.
That's really good.
Oh, thank you so much.
That's all right.
Yeah, if you could just give it a try and let us know what you think.
Yeah, that's really good.
Good.
Good spice, good flavour. I'm a fan of spicy food, so
Oh, yeah.
yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, thank you.